How to make TikTok videos private or public. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos either private or public for everyone to view. Okay, straight into it. So when you're posting a video, you have this option that says who can watch this video. So click on that. And here you can either choose for everyone to be able to view your video, your friends, or only you. So on this one, I'm just going to click friends, then click confirm, then post the video. And only my friends will be able to see this video. So after you've posted a video, if you would like to change the privacy settings, click on the video, then click on the three little dots, scroll across on the bottom and then click on privacy settings, and again click on who can watch this video, and I'm going to change this one to everyone so everyone can see this now. So this one is now updated so everyone can see this video. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.